everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make papaya and coconut jelly with Agar Agar. After watching this video, I hope you feel confident in making this jelly yourself. Make sure to bring this to baby showers, graduation parties, weddings, all the above, so everyone will think that you're a Nyako. Let's start by cutting this papaya in half, de-seeding and peeling. I'm also removing this portion where the seeds live, since it has a lot of stringy bits. Cube the papaya and put it into a blender. This is probably about 2 to 3 cups of papaya. I'm adding coconut water to help blend easier. And most importantly, don't forget to snack while you work. Check out the description below for measurement details. While the heat is off, start with coconut water and adding Agar Agar into the mix. Whisk well. As it starts to warm up, add sugar and continue to whisk till sugar is dissolved. The mixture will start to boil. Add your papaya coconut puree from earlier and mix again. Pour this into your mold of choice and place into the fridge while you make the coconut layer. Same method as before. Cool coconut water, Agar Agar, add sugar when it has begun to warm up. Once the mixture starts to boil, add your coconut milk and mix well again. By the way, I forgot to add this on screen, but you can add a pinch of salt too to bring out the sweetness. Your papaya layer will still be warm in the center, but the edges are firm to the touch. By it still being warm, it will allow the coconut layer for better adhesion. Using a spoon or spatula, slowly add the coconut layer starting from the edges. Remove any sort of big bubbles from this layer. Once you're satisfied, place into the refrigerator again and allow it to cool for about an hour before serving. I'm using the backside of a rounded kiwi knife here to release it from the pan. Flip over and voila! If you have cool zigzag blades, then you can make interesting shapes, but I'm just working with what I've got, a knife. So using the same knife, I'm just going to cut these into little simple shapes.
This looks like a plate of sushi. Tuna with rice. This is good dessert. Very refreshing.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!